Hello everyone, welcome to Target for IQ. In this session, we will discuss about famous industrial cities in India. So the first one is Durgapur. Durgapur is the biggest industrial hub in the West Bengal. It is located at the bank of Damodar River. Durgapur Steel Plant, established in 1959 with the help of United Kingdom, and later it was undertaken by SAIL. SAIL का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है? स्टील अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया लिमिटेड. The hydel power and water is obtained from Damodar River Corporation. Next is Bhilai. Bhilai Steel Plant, located in Bhilai district at Chhattisgarh. It was established in 1955 with the help of USSR. It is the India's first and main producer of steel rails. Bhilai Steel Plant is the most profitable and has largest production of steel. Next is Jamshedpur. It is also known as Tata Nagar, located in Jharkhand. It was founded by Jamshedji Tata, founder of Tata Groups in 1900, and was named after him. Jamshedpur was the first plant city of the India, and Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited, also called as Tesco, and Tata Motors are the major industries in that area. Next is Coimbatore. Coimbatore is the major hub for manufacturing, education and healthcare in Tamil Nadu. It is also called as Manchester of South because of its textile industries. Coimbatore has a large number of poultry farms and a major producer of chicken eggs. It is also called Pump City because of its supply 50% of India's requirement of motors and pumps. It is also the major center for the manufacture of automotive component in India. Next is Cochin. Cochin is the important spice trading center of the India from 14th century to till date. The headquarters of Spices Board of India and World Spice Organization are in Cochin. This city is the major hub of construction, manufacturing, shipbuilding, transportation, seafood and spices exports, chemical industry, information technology, tourism, health service and banking sectors. Next is Bokaro. Bokaro Steel Plant is located in Jharkhand, and Bokaro is the one of the plant cities of India. The Bokaro Steel Plant was established with the help of Soviet Union. Next is Kanpur. This city is famous for leather and textile industry, and the first woolen mill of India established in this city. Lal Imli brand of woolen is world famous from this city. This city is also known as Manchester of East for its textile industry, but today Ahmedabad called Manchester of East. Next is Visakhapatnam. Recently, Andhra Pradesh government announced this city to be the executive capital of state. Visakhapatnam port is one of the major port of India, and it is located midway between the Chennai and Kolkata port on the Bay of Bengal. The growth of IT industry in this city is boosting the local economy. Jawaharlal Nehru Pharmacity developed near Visakhapatnam, which consists of major pharma companies. Next is Ahmedabad, most populated city of the Gujarat state. India's first textile mill was established in 1861 in the Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is the second largest cotton textile center in India after the Mumbai. Next is Chennai, also known as Madras, capital of Tamil Nadu. It is also called as the India's health capital. Chennai is the mega city of India. The city is based for around 40% of India's automobile industries and 45% of auto component industries. Chennai is the hub of bank and finance services, healthcare, communication sector, and IT industry. Chennai is the one of fast growing cities in the world and is ranked among the Forbes top 10 fastest growing cities in the world. Chennai, also called the Gateway of South. The integral coach factory, which is in Chennai, is one of the earliest production unit of independent India. Raebareli also have integral coach factory. Next is Raniganj. Raniganj coalfield is located at West Bengal. It is the India's first coal mining field. Raniganj coalfield produces the best quality of non-cooking coal in India with average as percent of less than 20%. रानीगंज के बगल एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट पड़ता है धनबाद। धनबाद जो कि झारखंड में है और धनबाद भी एक मेजर हब है कोल माइनिंग फील्ड का। नेक्स्ट इज शिलोंग। शिलोंग, द कैपिटल ऑफ मेघालय, is situated on the Shillong Plateau and surrounded by hills. The city served as the capital of undivided Assam until Meghalaya became a separate state in 1972. Shillong, also known as the Scotland of East. Shillong is one of the most sought after tourist destination in the northeast region, mainly because of its scenic beauty. आई होप आपको वीडियो ये पसंद आई होगी। लाइक और शेयर करिएगा। धन्यवाद।